Sanibonani. Yo, ngazingajabule. Ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntu omnyama. Lalela mntu omnyama. Abelungu namapuno had a problem. And Vince Simmons paid the price. Yo. To truly understand istory sa Vince Simmons, kumele ngi-introduce to Karen no Sharon ngoba ibona abantu abafaka Vince ejele for 40 years. Lalela ngikuchazela istory. Once upon a time we had two girls. Sizobabiza ngoSharon no Karen. You see, uSharon no Karen babekade behambile no cousin wabo omdala ona 20 babeye out and then bahlala kwaze kwa late until they decided to sekumele bagoduke, and so bangena emotweni ya cousin wabo ona 20 and he decided ukuthi uzoba driver home. So bahamba and along the way bahlangana nale ndoda le emnyama, sizombiza ngoVincent. And so bahlangana noVincent bambone edabukisa ehike, but decide ukuma bamngenisa. Wangena ngempela uVincent cause bese ku late efuna ukuhamba goduke. Along the way uVincent kuthiwa allegedly wakhipha khona lento esisebenzisa amasoqo benyama esikayo, wakhipha yona leyo nto leyo, and then laba abanye bawu3 emotweni basaba, and so ba decide ukufollow ama instructions a Vincent ukuthi abayise imoto emahlathini. Bayise imoto emahlathini, baphume emotweni bangena ebhuthini bobawu3, and then allegedly kuthiwa uVincent wakhipha iwele lokuqala walise ehlathini walenza iRP, and then after that waliphinsela emotweni wathatha iwele lesibili walisa ehlathini walenza iRP, and then waliphinsela back kwibhuthi, and then after that he took imoto wayise town wadecide ukubashiya lapho wagoduka. In 1977 uVince Simmons was accused of RP, amawele awu2, which is uKaren no Sharon, and then he was only 27 years old at the time and was arrested. Ngakho lokho wabanjwa ke uVince Simmons, and then waboshwa. Nasi isithombe sakhe eboshwa. He was only 25 years old, eboshwa for RPing umuntu wesifazane, amawele futhi ingane. Ungayitsheni ukuthi siphela lapha istory. There's more. Never judge a book by its cover ngoba there are two sides to every story. Senizwile iside la Sharon no Karen, sekumele uzwe iside la Vince. Thula ulalele. This is uVincent